Hello, Scullies! Welcome to my channel. It's Skulla Kid here, and today is Friday. And if you've been watching my channel, you know what that means. It's an episode of Early Bird Gets the Pokemon Cards. Today, at Target's early 8 a.m. drop, this is what I was able to get. I got a Bunnelby pin collection from Shining Fates. This is going in my sealed collection. I have the Poltergeist. Now I need two more. I need two hands for this one. I was also able to get the Gallerian Rapidash Box today. This was released today. It's a beautiful box. Pink and purples and blues. It's actually textured. I don't know if you can tell here. It's like a glittery texture on the top of the box there. I got this at Target. I also pre-ordered two of these a while ago, and I didn't realize that there was going to be so many of these available, so we'll go ahead and open this one up today. I also, last thing in the Target bag, also able to get a Kyogre Shining Fates mini tin. And the reason why I got that was because that's the last one that I needed. I'm not sure the order of these, how the nice big picture comes up. Maybe it's something like that. But there we go. This is, maybe it goes like this. We are also going to open up these 5 mini tins from Shining Fates. There's 10 Shining Fates packs in there in total. So, I was almost going to say let's get started. But I also went to GameStop as soon as they opened. And since today's the first Friday of the month, I was able to get the Kalos Region First Partner Pack. I was only able to get one of these. By the time I went to the second GameStop in my town, they were out. So we'll keep this one closed. That's for the giveaway, just in case I won't be able to get another one. And just a reminder for you guys, there's Kalos Region there. It's May. Next up is Unova. So I will be giving away the 2 booster packs that are in here at the end of the month for this month's giveaway. And the jumbo cards are going to be going in the jumbo binder with the full collection as soon as all of the jumbo packs are released. In October is when Kanto comes out. So without further ado, let's open up this Gallerian Rapidash. I usually don't like ponies or pretty things, but this is a beautiful box. A little sad I'm going to open it, but like I said, I'm going to get a few others in the mail. And those will probably pop up in a future video of what's in the box. But this is the one for today, and it's on release day, so that's a big win. Can't complain about that. I'll leave that in there for now, but you guys can take a little peek. Gallerian Rapidash with their beautiful hair. And the jumbo card. Yes! Jumbo! If I'm able to find extras of these, I may put this in the jumbo binder. I'll put that in the back for now. And we have 2 packs of battle styles up front. 1 pack of Darkness Ablaze. And a pack of Rebel Clash. So I guess we'll go with Rebel Clash first. Let's see what Rillaboom has for us. Rillaboom Boom. Blurry code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We have a Psychic Energy. A Cursed Shovel. Curse that shovel. Phalanx all in line. Palpitoad. Voltorb. Sandygast. Vulpix got something in her eye. Coughing. More like farty. Shinx. A Helioptile. Man, I messed that up. That's a reverse holo. In the back is a Rillaboom VMAX. Boom, boom. Rillaboom VMAX. Nice. If you guys... I'm too excited. If you guys have watched my first Shining Fates opening, the ETB, it was one of the early episodes of Early Bird Gets the Pokemon. I pulled the shiny version of this card. Wow. Alright. Let's just set this over here nice and neat while I grab my sleeves. That deserves immediate sleeve attention. Upside down for now. And I'll put this in a top loader after the video. Okay, I'm going to set the bundle B off to the side so I don't bump anything. Yes! First pack magic! Alright, Darkness Ablaze. No Charizard can ever be pulled from a Charizard pack. Prove me wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. It's a Fighting Energy. Larion. Glimwood Tango. I like that card. Combustion. Dunsparce. Jigglypuff. Dino. Skitty. Golett. Clank. Reverse holo in the back is a Lugia. Wow, that's my first Lugia. Non-holo rare Lugia. Okay. Put you down there. Battle Styles. Here we go. I have finished filming my large video of opening up 36 loose booster packs of Battle Styles. I was going to release that video today, but then Friday happened and I wanted to send out this Early Bird Gets to Pokemon Cards video because it's kind of tradition. It's Friday. Try to keep that tradition going. Luxio, Espurr, Blipbug, Silicobra, Houndour, Lickitung, Honchkrow is the reverse holo in the back. We have an Aegislash for our rare non-holo. Okay. Yes. My Battle Styles video should be releasing on Monday, just in a few days away. So if anyone wants to check that out, it's not one to be missed. Psychic Energy, Crawdaunt, Doublade, Cacturns, Spearow, Sizzlipede, Shinxie, Cacnea, Pawniard, Weeping Bell reverse holo. In the back is a Crobat. Alright, holo Crobat. Put you there with the rares. Okay, let's see. I'll put the Battle Styles cards together. Set these off to the side. Because we're about to open up some mini tins of Shining Fates. Looks like Celebi is up first. But before we do that, let's do our ceremonial Om. Om. And this is the pin we use to open up all these plastic. So that's not too bad. Got a nice little ridge there. Alright, look, and there's Shiny Rillaboom hiding. Right there, he's behind the bush. Watch out, Celebi. I'm so stoked I was finally able to get the whole collection of these mini tins. Here is a Mewtwo token, coin, the card, and 2 Shining Fates. Put down in the description below which tin do you think is going to be having the best pulls. Kyogre, Celebi, Manaphy, Zarude, or Reshiram. Here we go. Shining Fates time. Shining Fates gets me so excited every time because there's so many. Ooh, white code card. So many good pulls that come out of Shining Fates. And these cards feel better. They look much better than the first print run. We have a Fire Energy, Rotom, Gym Trainer, Trophius, Horsey, Coffee, Shinx, Spinnerack, Buzzwheel. Oh, and a shiny Squovit. Look at that giant Cheekers Pinky Squirrel. In the back is a Gallerian Hollow Weezing. Hollow Gallerian Weezing. Yes, I love that art. All right, 2 good pulls there. Next pack of Shining Fates is Dragapult. Dragapult, what do you have for us? There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so far we're on the up and up. 1 hollow and 1 shiny. Busted Shield, Thwacky, Cacnea, Goffing, Snom, Gossifleur, Cufant. Whoa! Toxicity VMAX. Celebi came with the fire. Wow. In the back is a Dreadnought. Okay. Whoa. Where are the sleeves? Get the sleeves. I put them down somewhere and I forgot where. Oh, Lord. Okay. Down here. Manaphy was hiding them. Manaphy. Wow. The sparkle on this is insane. I like it a lot. VMAX. Shiny VMAX. Alright. Let's hurry up and get a sleeve on the Squovit. There we go. Alright. Next up is Reshiram. Open you up like so. Okay. Thought about opening up all these at once, but then we won't know which tin has the best pulls. So now it's Reshiram's turn with the Dragapult pack. One, two, three, 4. Take a look at the back of the rare. Looks pretty good. Fire Energy. Thwackies. Busted Shield. Rotom. Grookey. Spinnerack. Shinxie. Horsey. Yenma. Oh! Raboot. Shiny. Alright. I did pull the Shiny Cinderace in one of these videos before. And in the back is a non-hollow Celebi. Alright. I have still to pull the reverse hollow of Celebi. I don't even think they make a hollow Celebi. I have not seen that before. But we got another shiny. Okay. So, can Reshiram win with this last pack? Is there a Charizard in this Charizard pack? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Looks okay. Psychic Energy. Eldegoss. Dartrix. Luxio. Eevee. Morpeko. Buzzwheel. Nickit. Cacnea. Gym Trainer is our reverse hollow. In the back is a Zarude non-holo. Alright, well Reshiram at least gave us one good pull. He gave us the shiny reboot. Looks like Celebi is winning. Up next is our Zarude. Zarude has, a different coin. This is, just blinked on the name. It's a dragon. Hydrexia? I'm not sure. But Zarude still has 2 packs inside, and that's what we really want. It's these Shining Fates packs. No Charizard can ever be pulled from a Charizard pack. Prove me wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4 para el frente. Agua. And a Busted Shield. Floatzel. Thwacky. Shinx. Coffee. Trapinch. Rowlet. Chewtle. Reverse Holo is a Thievul. In the back, we have another Dreadnought. Alright. That was a bust. Here we have a Corviknight pack. Last pack out of the Zarude tin. 1, 2, 3, 4. I almost counted 5. Dark Energy. Ball Guy. Team Yell Towel. Busted Shield. Lick It. No, that's Nick It. Buzzwheel. Shinxie. Goofy. Trapinch. Whoa, another shiny. All right. We've pulled at least one shiny out of every 10. Graplock. Wow, I like this. He reminds me of like a Power Ranger. Or maybe something the Power Rangers would fight. Shiny Graplock. Yes. In the back we have, Cramorant V. Double banger. Bang bang pack right here. All right. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Zarude or Celebi? Yes. That's a really good pack. Wow, I'm lost for words. Next up is Manaphy with shiny Inteleon right there. Oh, I forgot to show you where Zarude has a shiny Eldegoss hiding right there. And then Reshiram has a shiny Cinderace hiding right down there. That's pretty cool. You gotta find them. They're playing hide and seek. So what does Manaphy tin have for us? It has another Hydrexia, I'm gonna say. I'm probably messing that up. But like I said before, we want the 2 Shining Fates packs. It's Toxicitry's turn. What do you have in store for us? One, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy. Thwacky. Busted Sword. Rotom. Grookey. Trapinch. Yanma. Koffing. Morpeko. Reverse Holo is Nickit. In the back we have Boss's Order. Okay. Dragapult pack. What do you have, Dragapult? One, 2, 3, 4 to the front. It's a Fire Energy. Ball Guy. Dartrix. Eldegoss. Shinxie. Grookey. Trapinch. Yanma. Koffing. And a Reverse Holo. Buzzwheel. In the back we have a Rillaboom Holo. Alright. That's good. It's not the best tin, but Rillaboom Holo. Alright, we have Rillaboom and Rillaboom VMAX. Last tin here is Kyogre, and who's hiding Right there. I believe that's a shiny Snom. That's really hard to see. He's so tiny. I almost didn't see him. He's so tiny. Okay. Is there a shiny Snom in this tin? Let's find out. Kyogre has... Ooh, who's this? Genesect coin. Wow. Cool, we got different coins. It's better than getting all the same coin. That would have been boring. Alright, last 2 packs. Let's save the Charizard for last. Toxicity, what do you have in store for us? Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a water energy. We have Eldegoss. Cards are about to fall. Let's fix that. Gym Trainer. Cramorant. Morpeko. Chewtle. Nickit. Grookey. Yanma. There we go. Reverse Holo Celebi. It's my first Reverse Holo Celebi, but we still have one more card. In the back is a Careless. Full trainer. Full art card. Full art trainer card. Careless. She is number 1. Oh, she's number 67 out of 72. There we go. I like that she's wearing 2 different shoes. She's got 1 sock on and 1 sock not. Careless. Very cool pull. Alright. Kyogre. Kyogre tin is up in the running. Let's see what this Charizard pack has in store for us. No Charizard can be pulled out of a Charizard pack. Prove me wrong. Psychic. Busted Sword. Eldegoss. Dartrix. Shinxie. Rowlet. Eevee. Morpeko. Buzzwheel. In the back is a Reverse Holo Rillaboom to go with this Holo brother. In the back, ooh, Volcanion. Dang. Alright. That was a fun video. Thank you guys for watching. Please let me know who you think won the tin battle. And remember, no one likes to be disrespected. Nah, disrespect.